New Chinese AI agent is insane. One 2.7 just changed AI video forever. You're wasting hours regenerating AI videos from scratch. You tweak one thing, the whole video breaks. You lose the character's face, you lose the lighting. You start over again and again and again. That stops today because Alibaba just dropped something that flips the entire AI video workflow on its head. And if you're not paying attention to this, you're already behind. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldey. I help people learn and actually implement AI tools that save time and build better workflows. Today, we're breaking down One 2.7, the new AI video model from Alibaba that just went live. This thing does things I haven't seen any other open source video model pull off. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what One 2.7 is, how to access it, and the 3 core features that make it worth your time. Let's get into it. So what is actually happening here? Alibaba has been building the One model family for a while. One 2.1, One 2.6, each version pushed quality and capability forward. But One 2.7 is a different kind of release. It's not just better video generation, it's a shift to a full video editing and production system. The big headline, One 2.7, lets you edit existing videos using plain text instructions. No regenerating from scratch. You make targeted changes to what's already there. That single change transforms how the whole workflow operates. One 2.7 is built by Alibaba and lives at One.Video. It covers the full production chain, generating, editing, referencing, and reshaping video with a level of control that previously wasn't available in open source tools. It supports text to video, image to video, and instruction-based video editing. Clips go up to 15 seconds at 1080p, and it supports up to 5 video reference subjects simultaneously, which is key for keeping characters consistent across shots. Now, how do you actually get access? The simplest path is One.Video. Create an account and you can start using it directly in the browser. No local setup needed. If you want API access for building workflows or running it programmatically, Alibaba has their video editing API documented through Alibaba Cloud Model Studio at alibabacloud.com. You can also access One 2.7 through Segment, which has the model live right now with per request pricing at 0.625 for 720p and 0.9375 for 1080p per clip. For developers wanting to run it locally, the One GitHub repository is where Alibaba has historically published open source weights and model documentation. Worth watching for the One 2.7 release there. Let's get into the 3 features that actually matter. Feature 1, instruction editing. This is the one that changes the workflow most. You take an existing video and edit specific parts of it using plain text commands. You're not regenerating from scratch, you're making targeted changes while keeping everything else intact. Want to change the weather in a scene? Type it. Want to swap what a character is wearing? Type it. The model handles local adjustments, modifying specific parts of a video while keeping the lighting, texture, and movement of the rest consistent with the original footage. According to Alibaba's documentation, the model supports adding or removing objects from scenes, replacing elements, and altering object attributes like colors. You can also change a background's season, summer to late autumn, for example, or apply stylistic effects without affecting character movements. Beyond visuals, One 2.7 can modify character behaviors and camera angles without changing the character's original identity or scene. Camera settings, position, angle, shot size, lens type, focal length can all be adjusted through instructions. You're directing the video after the fact. For anyone who spent time regenerating AI videos because one small thing was off, this is the feature that saves the most time. Before we go further, if you want to stay on top of AI tools like this and figure out how to actually implement them in your work, I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works in real workflows. What saves time, what doesn't, which tools are worth it, link in the description. Feature 2, consistency. Keeping characters and subjects looking the same across multiple shots has always been one of the hardest problems in AI video. The face shifts. The lighting changes the appearance. By shot 3, it looks like a different person. One 2.7 addresses this with multi-reference support. You can now provide up to 5 video references for a subject, showing them from different angles, in different lighting, in different poses. The model uses all of that input to maintain visual consistency throughout the generated content. This is a meaningful upgrade from previous versions, which were limited to fewer reference inputs. 5 references gives the model a much fuller picture of your subject, and the consistency across shots reflects that. And it's not just visual consistency. One.2.7 also supports combining a subject reference with a voice reference in a single pass, so the character looks the same and sounds the same across outputs. That's important for anything involving a recurring digital presenter, a branded character, or virtual talent, where both appearance and voice need to stay locked across multiple pieces of content. This is especially useful for recurring characters, brand content, digital presenters, or any project where a subject needs to look and sound the same across multiple clips. Feature 3, Fluidity. This is about motion quality and how the video actually looks in motion. One.2.7 supports up to 15-second clips at 1080p with improved motion dynamics compared to previous versions. Physical movements are smoother and more physically plausible. Alibaba has rebuilt the foundation model with a better understanding of physics, gravity, momentum, anatomy, so character movement looks more natural and camera motion looks more intentional. The standout capability here is first and last frame control. You set the opening shot, you set the closing shot. One.2.7 generates the motion in between. This gives you real narrative control over a clip. You know exactly where it starts and where it ends, and the generated motion connects those 2 points. For multi-shot content, this makes a big difference. You can plan your keyframes and let the model handle the transitions rather than hoping they connect on their own. There's also the 9-grid image to video feature worth mentioning here. You provide 9 reference images in a 3x3 grid, and the model processes all of them together to understand your subject or environment from multiple perspectives. 1 reference photo gives the model 1 angle. 9 gives it a spatial understanding of the whole thing. That directly feeds into how smooth and coherent the output motion looks. A few practical tips before you go. Start simple. If you're using image to video, begin with 1 subject, 1 action, 1 lighting direction. Get a feel for how the model reads your input before adding complexity. When using instruction editing, be specific. Don't say, change the background. Say, change the background to a rainy city street at night. Precise directorial language gets better results. Use the C parameter when you need reproducible outputs. Useful when you're iterating on a prompt and want to compare versions without adding randomness. One.2.7 is a meaningful step forward for open source AI video. Instruction-based editing, multi-reference consistency, and improved motion quality in one model. And it's live now at One.Video. If you're looking to go deeper on AI tools and actually implement them in your work, check out AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people sharing real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time. No hype, just practical guidance from people doing the work. Link in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes plus access to our community of 58,000 members. Links in the comments and description. That's it for today. One.2.7 is live. Go check it out at One.Video. See you in the next one.